Hello, we're here today at SL Equipment to look at this custom 8.5 by 22 concession trailer. Starting off with the front, we can see the triple tube tongue, safety chains, generator platform, front jack, coupler for a 2 5/16 ball, breakaway cable, breakaway battery. We can see the power plug for the trailer. It's a 50 amp twist lock. Access door. We can see the included power cable, battery, power panel, battery charger, fuse panel, freshwater storage tank, water heater, water pump, and then the plug for the water heater, and the back side of the city water fill. Now the plumbing is constructed of PVC and PEX piping. We got the city water fill box. We'll have a 3/4 inch hose fitting and a fill port. We'll have our drain for the water system here. So it's RV style drain. You'll have a pull release valve. You'll have a 3/4 inch cap as well as a 3-inch cap. All you do is pull the valve, let the water flow through, and you can use either fitting that you'd like. This trailer does have steel wheels. Now on these wheels, we'll have these rubber fittings that are removable. Behind it is going to be where you can grease the axle and then pop them back in. Now these being 6 lug, each one of these axles are going to be 5,200 pound axles, and that gives you combined 10,400 pounds of allowance on the axles. This trailer does have a barbecue porch with a smoker on it. It's half wall on the sides. Has a black ATV flooring. 250 gallon reverse flow smoker. Let's see if I can work this with the camera real quick. There we go. So on this one, there are 4 trays. One bottom tray there, top tray, this top and bottom tray. There's an opening down there. So the firebox, you'll be able to fire down there, go up underneath the metal plate, smoke goes up, reverses around, comes out the exhaust. And then this over here is a warming box. It's where you can put excess meat when you want to keep it warm before you're ready to serve it out. Now there are gauges that do go in these. They're threaded. So you just thread the gauge in and then you'll be able to monitor the temperature. The entry door on the trailer has our RV style window on here. So we can see there's a screen. These 2 clasps here that let you raise and lower it and lock it back down in place. The interior flooring is rubber coin flooring. This trailer has aluminum mill walls and ceiling. 3-bay sink with hand washing sink. The switch on the cabinet base is for the water pump. The Venus has a counter built on top. And then there's a shelf. This trailer also has the mini split. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Now with mini split units, they are nice. There are remote controls. And there's a counter that's been put in by the window. Now the concession window has glass and screens as well. The roof has the LED lights. And this unit had a refrigerator installed. Interior and exterior light switches have been placed above the door for convenience. That way, if there's anything else, like another refrigerator added or warming box to the other side, it won't be blocked off. Just come back to the smoker real quick. I'll close it. And they've got these latches that'll keep them from flying open when you're going down the road. So if I tug on it or pull on it, it won't open up. Same thing if I go to just open up on it. There is an interior deadbolt on the inside here that you can lock the deadbolt from the inside, as well as the lock and key on the exterior. The license plate has a bracket and a light. The rear rail is removable. We can see the concession window. There's a flip up counter here. Clip there, clip there. You can see the screens. There are also two RV style latches on the inside of the window, where you can lock the window. And we can see the mini split on the outside. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.